we'll guide you through how to add picture-in-picture in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Once you're in, you need to import the main video clip you want to work with. You can do this by clicking on the Import button located at the top left corner and selecting your video files from your computer. After importing, drag and drop the main video clip onto the timeline track. Now, to add a picture-in-picture overlay, import the secondary video or image you want to overlay onto your main video. Once imported, drag this file onto a new track above your main video track in the timeline. You'll see this new overlay appear in the preview window. Click on the overlay clip in the timeline to activate it, and then click on it in the preview window. This will allow you to resize and reposition the overlay as needed. You can adjust the size by dragging the corners and reposition it by dragging it around the preview window. If needed, you can also crop, rotate, or adjust the opacity of the overlay by selecting it and using the tools available in the Properties panel on the right side of the screen. When you're happy with how it looks, you can add transitions or effects by clicking on the Effects tab and dragging your desired effect onto the overlay track. Once everything looks good, click on the Export button in the top right corner to save your video with the picture-in-picture effect. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.